So on today's Try to Finish Something, I'm building a storage rack for this corner right here. Eventually, this whole wall is going to have the French cleat system, and I need something that's going to hold paint cans because off camera, I'm doing another project, another shelf build for more of those storage containers that are going to go underneath the windowsill. The problem is, I've got a lot of spray paint cans and nowhere to store them. So as you can see, I've got a lot of them, and there's absolutely no organization. So I'm going to wing this one. I'm going to build what's basically going to be a spice rack for this corner that's going to be on a French cleat, 45 degrees, hold the different cans, should be easy. Let's get to the build. It's a simple build. Simple 45-degree spice rack with 3-inch sides, 17 inches wide, and 30 inches long. I know. For those of you that know what you're doing, you might already see the issue, but here's dumb me. What could go wrong? Look, I was terrible in English classes, but even I know, kids, this is what is called foreshadowing. Sit back and enjoy the music while I make an idiot out of myself. Yep, smart viewer, my shelves are too shallow, just like my personality. What a waste of time. All right, I'll try again. I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to build some storage containers for some audio and video equipment, and I'll come back to this build after I've had some time to think about it as we try to finish something. Thanks for watching.